Hi everyone, Dennis here. So today I want us to look at a feature where someone walks across a scene, and as they walk, text is revealed in the background. We want to try this in Wondershare Filmora. Let's take a look. So I have Filmora open here. I will import my clip from the desktop. So that's my clip. I'll add this onto the timeline. Yeah, probably just match the media settings. Now my clip is a bit long, so I'll probably just cut the first one. It's just a random clip from Pexels. Let me zoom in a bit. So this is our clipper. Now we want to reveal text as the lady crosses, or rather goes across our scene. The first thing we do is add our text. So just go to titles, add the basic title. Just drag it onto the timeline. We will add, let's see, Filmora 13. So this is a text. We can maybe customize it a little. Probably use Roboto Black. Where is it? Roboto Black. Can't say it. Bold Roboto Black. Yes, good. The text is a bit big, so I'll probably reduce it to say around 50s. Yeah, 50s is good. Align this. Make sure the text is aligned to probably the middle of where she crosses through. Yeah, so I guess that's good. So we have our text, and it's placed conveniently, or rather correctly. The first thing we do is duplicate our clip. So I'll hold Option or Alt on Windows and drag above the text. So there, the clip is above the text. Now click on the above clip, head over to video and go to mask. We look for the linear one, the vertical linear mask. So we click on that and it is added automatically. Now what we want to do is add keyframes to this mask. So how we add keyframes is we probably go to where she's starting to cover the text, and for better results, it's wise, because she's going across, we'll try to reveal the text from behind. So we'll have the mask cover most of her body and just reveal it just after she goes across. So there is a mask. We can probably add a very little percentage of blur. Probably do 1.5. Yeah, that is safe. Now we need to move our mask. We come to the left and just behind her, the last frame behind her. And once we do that, we click on the add keyframe for transform. This adds both a keyframe for position and for the blur. So we add that. Now we can go across. We can probably estimate. Let's hide this layer. Look at where she's maybe done with the word, and reveal this. Click this and add another keyframe, and then maybe move the text there. So if we play this, we have a rough cut of our reveal. So let's take a look. This is when she's outside. Yeah, you can see the text is revealed. Now I said the rough cut because at times, for example, the first frame, it looks like it appears before. So what we need to do is correct that. We probably need to move it so that the F does not appear on top of her. It needs to appear behind her. So you can go frame by frame as you look at how the words are revealed. At times it will look like it's coming from in front of her, or rather in front of the subject. So in that case, you just probably add a keyframe and just maybe adjust your mask a little. And you adjust your mask, it automatically adds a keyframe. So you track that. In our case, I believe it was as smooth as butter. So yeah, that is the reveal. if I would maybe just show the full screen here once more. Yeah, so basically that is how we add a text reveal effect to a video in Filmora 13. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. Till next time. Cheers.